Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to compute pairwise distances using numpy and, more specifically, the scipy.spatial.distance module, which provides efficient implementations for calculating various distance metrics. What are pairwise distances? Pairwise distances refer to the distances calculated between each pair of points in a data set. This is useful in various applications such as clustering, nearest neighbors search, and more. Common distance metrics. 1 Euclidean distance, the straight line distance between two points in Euclidean space. 2 Manhattan distance, the distance between 2 points measured along the axis at right angles. 3 Cosine distance, a measure of the angle between two vectors. Setting up the environment. Before we begin, make sure you have numpy and scipy installed. You can install them using pip if you haven't already. Example, computing pairwise distances. Let's create a small dataset and compute the pairwise distances using different metrics. Explanation of the code. 1. Import libraries. We import numpy and the distance module from scipy. 2. Create dataset. We create a numpy array containing a few points in a 2D space. 3. Compute distances. We use scipy.spatial.distance.dist to compute pairwise distances. The metric argument specifies the type of distance to compute, example Euclidean, city block for Manhattan, and cosine. For output, we print the pairwise distances for each metric. 5. Square form. We convert the condensed distance matrix to a square form using distance.squareform, for easier interpretation. Output interpretation. The output will show the pairwise distances in a condensed format, forpdist, and a square matrix form, for square form. Each entry represents the distance between the points. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered how to calculate pairwise distances using numpy and scipy, highlighting different distance metrics. This is an essential technique in many machine learning and data analysis applications. You can experiment with different datasets and distance metrics to see how they affect the distance calculations.